Hi everyone, I know I haven't done a vlog in a really long time, but I really wanted to do a video today because a few weeks ago I got this awesome box it's called the Humankind box, and it's curated for people who are going through cancer diagnosis, cancer treatments. They're just boxes that help you make you feel beautiful and comfortable and just help you get through any cancer diagnosis that a young adult might have. So I wanted to go through the box and share what's in the box. They sent me the big chemo box, but they have other boxes like a beauty box, a meditation box, a hug box. Like, they just have a bunch of different kinds of boxes. But I'm going to go through the big chemo box because I thought it was a box that I would use the most since I'm always in treatment. Also, Mama Mia is here. She's comfy in my lap right now, so you might see her pop in and out. Right, Mama? So let's get started. So it comes in this giant box. And there's a lot of goodies in here, I believe. So when you open the box, it has this awesome little message on the inside. Says, "For you, because cancer is the worst." So let's open it up. Okay, here's a little postcard thing, and on the back it says Humankind box, or HKB's box, top things to pack in your chemo bag, and it has the top 10 things they think you need for chemo. Phone charger, yes, I agree. Travel neck pillow, that's good, but also the hospital or wherever you're getting treatment usually has pillows, but travel neck pillow is always great. Then a cozy blanket. I have one of those. Earbuds, so you can listen to music, watch TV, whatever you need. Ways to be entertained. When I was going through chemo, I always brought coloring books. Ice mitts. Oh, that helps with neuropathy. Chemo countdown cards. Fuzzy slippers or socks, I definitely have those. Loose layers, yes, because you get hot and cold. And then a ride home, that's always important. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing is this gorgeous scarf. Oh, I'm gonna actually wear this a lot. It's really nice and soft. Great head scarf, great neck scarf, whatever you need it for. It's great. So cute and chic, and you can even use it after you're done chemo. Then the next thing, I think it's a silk pillow, because when you lose your hair, or your hair is growing in or falling out, your scalp is really sensitive, and silk pillowcases is supposed to really help with that. Popsicle molds, so that if you have mouth sores or you just want something cold in your mouth, because when you go through chemo your taste buds change, and having popsicles or something really cold sometimes feels really good. I'm excited to do this because my mom and I have been making banana ice cream, and we can put it in this and eat it, or make like a watermelon one or whatever. That's gonna be really fun to do. Then there's Snarky tea. This is raspberry orange green tea. Green tea is really supposed to be beneficial and healthy for you. Can't wait to have a cup of that. Then chemo countdown cards. So I'm not in chemo anymore, but I'm pretty sure, let me open them. This would have been so fun to have during my chemo treatments, but they have like different numbers, halfway done. They have one where you can fill in your number, which is nice. I already talked to them about making cards for maintenance treatments. Like I'm on number however many. I think I've had over 80. So I think having an option for treatment, for maintenance treatments, or someone who's always in a treatment, it would be really fun, but this is always good to have in case I have to go back into chemo. I have them, and I don't want to go through them, but if I do have to go through chemo, I would be excited to use these and post pictures with them. Lots of packing paper, which is always fun to go through. Oh, a mason jar water bottle, and I think there's a straw in here, so that'll be cute to have to make like a juice, or to make tea in there, maybe have that tea as an iced tea. Okay, then next is port and polish. It is a pill case, a 7-day pill case. Let me see what it looks like. You can never have too many pill cases, especially if you end up having to take an oral chemo or endocrine pills, or just anything, your vitamins. You can have one for vitamins, one for your medication. Oh, this is nice. It has a nice little mirror in it. And these are nice big containers for your pills. So I will definitely be using this all the time. It's really nice and chic. It doesn't look like a pill case, which is nice. So that, then fashion face masks. I got Hello Kitty. These are good if you're going into a crowded area or traveling, or you have the flu and you have to go into the hospital. These are always good to have, and they're cute, so you don't have to worry about wearing those ugly blue ones or hospital ones. Then a clip for hand sanitizer, which you always need when you're going through treatments, especially this time of year because germs and everything's going around now. Then, what's this? A comfy throw blanket, which you can take to treatments or just have in your room or on the couch or on your chair, whatever. This looks like it's really soft and comfy. You can never have too many blankets, by the way. Let me open it. Oh, it's pretty. It's blue and like a off-white. Let me see. It is by Design Imports. Oh, it's really soft and comfy. It's a nice little personal size throw with some fun fringe that has been packed up, so it's not as fringy, but it's really cute. Then what else do you have in here? You have a cute little tote bag that you could probably fit everything in, and it has a nice long handle, so you can always use a cute bag. I'll definitely be using this. You can never have too many bags, right? And then finally you have the Cancer Fighting Kitchen. It's a cookbook that helps you, that I think tells you like, oh, this will help with nausea, or let me look. Nourishing, big flavored recipes for cancer treatments and recovery. So they have protein building, they have vegan options, they have so many, cooling cucumber avocado soup. That sounds good. So this chapter is nourishing soups and broths. I love soup, so I'm guessing I'm going to be doing a lot of these recipes. So that is it. You can visit their Instagram page, which is Humankind Boxes, and pick out a box for yourself, or send a friend a box, or relative, whoever is going through a cancer treatment, and you think you don't know what to get them. These boxes are always fun to get and to go through, and you usually can find stuff that you can really use in them. So I highly recommend going to this company and ordering them. I'm sure the boxes change depending on what products they get, but it's a new company, it's run by young adults, and it's a really great product. So go visit them. Bye!